My poor elderly cat Tyeeger is having a harder time jumping these days. I think it's time to get him some cat stairs. He doesn't seem too thrilled about the idea, but we're giving it a shot anyway. And I'm not too impressed with these smaller stairs. They don't look quite right. And they don't seem very helpful. And no, Tyeeger isn't a fan either. Let's try a bigger set. Hopefully these will be sturdier. Tyeeger thinks these look more promising. Let's place them by the bed and see how it goes. Oh no, he's not sure what to do. Time for a little practice. There we go. Now let's see if he can come down. That's right. You did it. I can tell he loves his new stairs. And he is saying thank you.